This is a 2010 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Fairlane Ford Sales is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 14585 Michigan Avenue in Dearborn.